Today I'm going to show you a super easy recipe, which is simply poached eggs. I have a cracked egg, a plate with some cucumber, avocado, toast with jam, and another toast ready for the egg. So the water has come to a boil and there's a lot of bubbles inside. I'm going to turn the heat off and wait until there's no bubbles to pour in the egg. If you pour in the egg when there's so much bubbles, it will actually smash the egg rather than poach it. So now the water has no bubbles. I'm gonna rotate it like that and pour the egg in. And I'm gonna wait for 3 minutes. Some people put vinegar in the water, but honestly it will give it a vinegar taste, so it's not really needed. This is your poached egg. ساعتين.